nothing more to do here. Find a nice dark space. Time now to have a look and see what we can work out with the hydrometer. So here we are for our hydrometer. Fun and games. Drop it in. Spin. And it's settled on like 1040 specific gravity and about 5%, I think. Of course, we've got to take another reading at the end to calculate the actual alcohol. Just a smidgen over 5. Okay, for now it's just weight. The new home is a bit snug. My new bung is a bit taller than the last one, but here's where it's going to sort of stay. I'll check on it in 24 hours, and hopefully what we'll start to see is some action here with some CO2 coming through the bubbler. So the fermentation is off to a great start, but I do seem to be getting some crap through here. So not wanting to let it get blocked, what I'm doing is I'm just going to change the bubbler, or the airlock, over. And I'm just going to keep my eye on that, make sure this doesn't get blocked or anything like that. Okay, great. This has got a bit vicious again and has overflowed a bit out of the top cap at this time, so I'm going to do a slight change of tact. I think it's called a blow-off tube. I may have just got that completely wrong, but I'm going to take this bung away and I'm just going to put a pipe in into some sanitizer. So just sorting out some sanitizer now, and then we'll be back to reassemble. So I've made up some sanitizer and I've sanitized all of this. So I'm going to effectively take that away. That was what I was looking for. I seem to recall this is called a blow-off tube, and clearly it's more suitable when things are a bit more active, which they certainly are. There's bubbles coming through into the sanitizer already, so I'm going to move this back into its home. Well, that does seem to be working. So I think, we'll let that run overnight and see how that goes. And if it's slowing down a little bit, then perhaps put the airlock back in. Otherwise, I think sort of this method would certainly seem to be a bit more appropriate. Definitely very active. So one hopes that's a good news story. We'll see how it progresses. Well, it's slowed down a little bit, not quite so vicious now, so I am going to switch back to the airlock. Just a bit of sanitizer again. Here's our sanitized airlock, ready to go. I'm just going to detach that and attempt to introduce this. There we go. So we'll leave that going overnight and see if that works okay.